Justice for the Little Gabriel. This is a series about the life of Gabriel. He was a boy about 8 years old. When he was a baby, he lived with his uncle and his grandparents. He was very happy and very loved. But after he went with his mother and the boyfriend of his mother. Uh, he stayed with them for almost 8 months, but all of this time he was hurt. He had he had his skin burned. Um, he had a shotgun in his chest. Um, it was very sad. After he died, but them no care. Um, then they then they were then they were arrested, and they were found uh, culpables. Uh, this is very sad because she was her mother, and technically he killed him. And the people think that it's it it happened because the boyfriend of his mom thought that he was gay, but isn't. Uh, but they put on at him dresses, and his clothes were were safe in a room, and yeah, it's very sad because he was a little boy. He died of a kind very sad. It's very sad. The history is very sad, and this happened with a lot of children around the world, and more in the United States because the split is legal. So it's sad.